Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Canva for graphic design projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up at the top right corner. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of design options and templates available. To start a new project, click on the Create a Design button located on the top left. You can choose from various formats like presentations, social media posts, or custom dimensions. After selecting your design type, you will be directed to the design interface. On the left side, you'll find tools for templates, elements, text, and more. Browse through the templates and select one that suits your project. Once selected, it will appear on your canvas, ready for customization. To edit text, simply click on it and type in your desired content. You can adjust font style, size, and color from the toolbar at the top. To add images, click on the Elements tab and search for graphics or images. You can also upload your own images by clicking the Uploads tab. To resize or move any element, click on it and drag the corners or reposition it on the canvas. If you want to change the background, click on the Background tab and choose from solid colors or patterns. To save your project, click on the Share button in the top right corner. From there, you can download your design in various formats like PNG or PDF. If you need to share your design, use the link provided in the Share options. Explore the various features Canva offers to enhance your design experience. Don't hesitate to try out new elements and designs to find your unique style. Now you're ready to create stunning graphics for any project using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.